Maharashtra Board Class 11 Preparation Tips. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education administers the curriculum for classes 1 to 12. So students in Maharashtra state affiliated schools have to follow the syllabus prepared by the board. The Class 11 exam is held by respective schools. Students can easily score best possible marks with the help of Maharashtra Board Class 11 Preparation Tips. In this article, we have provided subject-wise Maharashtra Board Class 11 preparation tips to help you ace each subject individually. Many concepts in Class 11 syllabus are important with a view to learn the concepts in Class 12. Thus, refer to these subject-wise preparation tips to ace the Class 11 exam. Maharashtra Board Class 11 Preparation Tips, Mathematics. For each chapter, note down the important formulas. Also note all the derivations, theorems with a couple of solved examples. Solve as many sample problems as you can for each topic. Solve problems of different difficulty levels for every chapter. May have realized the importance of practicing maths questions. No matter how well they understand a topic, they can score good marks only with practice. They must solve Maharashtra Board Class 11 Maths sample questions on all the chapter topics to ace the subject. Maharashtra Board Class 11 Preparation Tips, Physics. Physics is a practical subject. In many questions, students will be asked to draw a diagram based on the given instructions. Thus, it is important to understand each concept thoroughly. Understand the different laws and how they work. Practice answering questions along with diagrams. In diagrams with current flow, pay special attention to the sign and flow of current. Maharashtra Board Class 11 Preparation Tips, Chemistry. In chemistry, the chapters are divided into physical chemistry, organic and inorganic chemistry. Students need to also practice answer writing to ensure comprehensive answers and fetch maximum marks in each questions. Check the preparation tips for Maharashtra Board Class 11 Chemistry. While studying a topic, highlight the key points in it. Note down the salient features, characteristics of different components. Practice balancing of chemical equations. These questions can get you full marks. Maharashtra Board Class 11 Preparation Tips. Biology is a lengthy but interesting subject. Instead of worrying about the chapter lengths, pay attention to understand each topic. An important Maharashtra Board 11th class preparation tip for biology is practicing writing precise or to-the-point answers. Wherever required, support your answer with neatly labeled diagrams. To remember all the topics, revise them regularly. Know your strengths and weaknesses and prepare a comprehensive Maharashtra Board Class 11 preparation guide referring to these tips. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.